When last did you speak to Agya Koo?
Why?
Agya Koo.
Why?
When last did you speak to him?
Why?
Agya Koo.
Oh, yeah, oh, boy, yes, you. And as I say, yeah, boy, yes, 11.
When last did you talk? When last did you talk to?
Niki day. A question, oh, Lilwin like Mutimun and Cassa, Omon Cassa. Until I'm sacrifice sanity, they're gonna fuck, and I would also sell it when they mean I can Cassa. And a mimafum, na police and war him say, only you man. Memla from Neming to Miniscano. Namuquay Manamusa and Papini and Tim. Tina many like it, you might day. Aba, Mene Chiku, near Juma ab, very powerful. Friend Papa, friend me, for Kumawood. The one between us and Papa issue. Just say, it's going to be an abassa. Some moving us stronger, and Kakeno. Last minute, Lubas, come on, China, me, Ellen, what I'm Jackson. Betty Wonderman was supposed to be unity. How they creative as for after second night on the second, I guess. Ha!
Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter way, a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter way. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, go smartphone, so Lino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no switch all the other apps. Into my catcher so you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money and that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make catcher as a Paulino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi na you should never send this car. Ebe boa ye send the miso aboameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store and na say Play Store.
Second August in the Rebel so be to me sequence. Second August the premiere be to me sequence. Be to me sequence. Move your premiere you promoted for the past 1 month there for the be to me sequence. Past second August SG Ibrahim Troy pass live. No bagger wire. We are new year not your old year now pay attention to an so now. Your premiere movie new year.
So obi on there no. Omo ye meeting stuff for mo. Ana Kate first one year na say any bread asa ho ya otan onsa we na ye before apoti Ghana no o man kan ho hwe de funu ba ye o man sere say mu na ye mpedemfo abese de ti amu ya we dada yentimi say no na mum mi sintimi nyame de na enkobi ti after me pimia no we a meso me de mama santama mfo nya ho say Lilwin so ye kede na tabata di number I'll do my own, yeah.
I was saying Kawo because you say only na twase ni pen. It can be saying ka candle night. I was saying because say since that day ni dia unya kwai enko.
Say the same second and I me say that room by you be the whole world. Can not say cause the whole world will be a yibi. Nature sampa. Ye said the no. And to me who didn't hear. Get us from Timko Tanasi. Affixes are on the second. No. Minimum come across for minimum junior faces I did no. Sap did the course of third date will be I say. And that didn't say, we have found a car. Casas can be able to say the whole phone say. Second, a brain trying a premium of Kumawood more. Senior system. And I said, name us in the few. I mean, no one else. It's a facade second night. I'm using Nasabiti Lumba. As if I think a Friday, and a Sunday and a Monday. Then you're not coming at 7 night. I feel. My best question I say, I'm way be. I say, sorry, oh, tell us Africa, you need you from Mosne. You are Tiasi. Oh, sir. Secretary has 40 Miss Sally. Ever said it, said, yeah. I come for crowd there. Tell my name and quay up to now. Then why I found. And also almost anchor sending they say. Young Asia, at Jiska, I don't walk over there. Yeah, tell me, yes, I will see a carbon say, for a baby shed date in Yadia. Something for a yes, I did, you know. Even I'm home for.
Maybe I'm home for. So I'm on you. I'm on you now. I'm on dating anymore.
Because much me feel upset as I make it just ever said it's a Canada night, independent chair, Canada night. abe legend ba ko so ko fo kwa de yare asabe ho kire no man twa New Zealand say the stars no the Ghana mi nyine nhia nji wo sabe sika kakra yen for support kwa de man twa anya wo twa mere wu
It's a simple for date today. Omonye bibi enfam ba entimi si kwan entimi si Ibrahim Traore kwan entimi si kwan Ghana for na mo na eba aha ntene e wo interview wa Insha FM Live FM asanka de boy Osman ene ogidi nso na jawo no Ibrahim Traore na nkasa na atie sita no
If it will take my life, I'll do. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Thomas Sankara, Muammar al-Gaddafi, Africa will be great again.
Name within the African continent, as a matter of fact, bringing about a lot of freedom to the people of Burkina Faso. But trust me, one of the greatest talents within Ghana, and as a matter of fact, coming from the Ashanti region, that is the south. A big name in the industry, respectively in the movie industry, has always gone beyond everything that everyone would think of to also put a light in the ones that was said that is actually being forgotten. Do we even have a movie industry? He always goes beyond in wanting to prove that definitely there's an industry that we should also invest in. He goes by the name Kojon Kansa. Everyone knows him with that very name that brought him out. That name is Lilwin. And today he finds himself in the studios of Love 99.5 FM. We get to talk about that very movie that everyone is anticipating to come through as well. Kojon Kansa Lilwin. Should we speak English or we should speak Chi?
I like to speak Chi 80%, or then I can use other language 20 or 10% because I'll never forget my language.
Okay.
Because if you go to America, do the America do. If you go to China, do the China do. If you come to Ghana, do the Ghana do. The ones in Ghana, I'll speak my language. That's why I can express myself very well. Because if I use someone in someone language, it was expressing me. I don't know feel it to speak. That's why.
Then all cards is here.
Me just say. Me want Ghana and Kwadi, or some become kasa. And the same time, a language. Area woman. Atete me. Me to me nyan tongo for akwasibu ni kasa. And can the same time me come akwasibu ni kasa. And then kasa into my bre e best person, but me come kasa na. I feel comfortable to express myself.
Sure.
That's why I choose my language first. Because India president come here, he can never speak Chi. He speaks his language.
Sure.
Why Ghana? If you are traveling from Ghana to another country, we speak someone language. We forget your language. That's why I'm a Ghana. We not go anywhere. Africa, we're not going to stay. We are in a still underground. Your HRC.
Anyway, so that is in cancer for you, Lilwin. And as a matter of fact, we're having that very conversation here at Love 99.5 FM. Today, I would ask that you bear with us, that we speak more of a local dialect so that we can speak properly and also have a better understanding of exactly what he's wanting to give or the information that he's wanting to give. But definitely would also add the English language as well. Kojon Kansa Lilwin, I famous and so I'm our Kwaba.
Yeah, major.
And Yama Bebre na Koso. Ideas no answer na me no be ba in command ka say be di no so Yama Bebre ho ma me pese me no cancer na ya ba sound.
Do you have time?
Oh, we have time.
Call all the stations here. You go there. Oh man, time, please. Just cut off now. If you don't have time, don't. And some question be meet me yanum kwesi.
Exactly.
Now you jump for another question.
I'll give you that very time.
Okay.
I'll give you that very time to express yourself.
If I am adiachi, can you do it into the morning?
So open this up, make me I am.
Oh, me, I'm free. I don't have any problem.
There's this idea.
Okay.
Because what try? Why are the young point share my you're trying to always as much as possible to put an eye in the industry itself. But people say we don't have a movie industry.
Yeah.
A idea also who and I say it's just no more person will come.
So much today.
we don't have a movie industry. As a matter of fact,
That is as a good. Yeah. Meda atiefo a etio samre Yankopon shiro bia. This answer number kwama wonder kasa asem no mu a omunya adwuma ne benye. Kwa adwuma onya bi bia untim kasa agu. Atase ade akwa onya bi to no. Untim kasa ho ayeden. Doko onya bi nto ne ho ayeden. Enti actor bi obija kasa movie ne agu akofom asai agu no. Honya bi ntwa. Be ya agu so ye twa no. Yesi enwu yi. Me fiti kan dada nyene se sinini de enwu maame. Tina me gu so mbetwa besinde. Enti no enwu yi. Ana ade bia na company as adwuma be ekofom na pagya ekofom na pagya epagya so na kɔ nanim. Enti this time Kumawood no ye pagya kɔ nanim dia na se ye ma adwuma e bi nsida. Ena se ye saye ma oman mu no nyina sa bagyi to say yes. This is the time Kumawood e adwuma e bi nsida. It tell you say I'll start from Mr. President Kokozizin, the current one, a country called Ghana now. It was Amazon Prime Videos. The first time Kumawood got to Amazon, it been said that. And this one, too, Captain Ibrahim Traore, the last African hero. 80% of the Ghana phone say, Kumawood, we can do a better. Name is Sikasem. Scan a movie, F. Because props, location, hotel, lot, money. Tinipani even better to my knife. Tina, I want to tell who says in Abacoina, and this time, no, you're the cat to castle. I'm an investor in Jones, a human, say enough for. Now we invest here, say never near a few so. This a Juma Betcher Sampa. Kumawood Ghana movie industry, say no, Muko different level. The different level one idea, a region pie production, the different level at the Abba. Timato pressure, I'm a Ghana movie industry. We produce a Peja, where that has you good at Peja, so you mammy. I was saying, most stars and most women in a hada. Your 2 million form, your 2 stars be ban your 2, be better to have fast and Virginiano. The 2 be realize your 2 no, a mere legend, can come. When I last and what to swear Kunyana, Mutuno, and I'm better Kunyana. It's into New King, Nino, to say that Jacko former legendary. As that said, and now they are former president. Drama is the current president in Ghana. TDS for him to make comfort. The two no idea so and send what so eba sa wudi shuere eba Monsole rise up. Yeah.
But anyways, that is a nice answer to that. One of the things is what and me know Baby doing come before I made one of the guys doing come I was say hono. Now say a cast industry ne go it's not basically say be in the year who movie and I say and we are not seeing different stars or new stars. But as a matter of fact, even in your own space, you are trying to bring other stars into the scene. One of the things in the year didn't come about up was our storyline.
Yeah.
It looks as if our storylines are always the same.
Yeah. Until I say, yeah, sooner dear. Yanko Portrait, I assume a Jumano, a coffin can I say, or mere sooner dear. I say, a commodore, no Benesca, or even ye. First, no common in Tibas, nay, try be biakake. Bene no be bamutan so e pa dia e ba na benya for so e de impact beba sane yaye what say etino those days no na story bia na ye twa enka so obi ewu na ya dindia be bisini fast na bibia si na nsia ka say gabi a chini tu mi so free for oboloi this data ka se pa o Kumawood mu nya for now first wo mu no e fe ne justice for bolo e fe ne Joshua Ajiman data ka si o we are be good them justice for bolo we better pay Ghana movie industry no onti amaka ye de ntimi nko no sabi we legend a say me wonyuma eda sonko enti sampa we legend tina stars musicians no obi a che ne part so legend sa kode ye ne dwuma sombo ye ne dwuma oba fom be ye de nkwa ye bia that's why limit no ti we are going higher ti am fom be ye ne ma bibia keke e say ya de am perfu sampa this guy be o deserve say what do you do? Hedjuma ye, who did that bomb, but you fit be a Ghana. Move Benny Ghana, the predominant Sebida. Move Benny, move Ghana, promotion, ABC Sebida. Move Benny, big board, more than 15 to 20. Move Benny, Sebit, Tim Toka, one bear me and Sansa, and I Brandon. ABC, we are said that. Now move Benny, Sebi, as a minister. Necessity for BNI for. MPs ministers eda meka asika focus for see ebe premier ni bo hu de be won said this time story e ba bontini story kasa kyerɛ Africa ɛyɛ abakɔsɛm ɛyɛ adisuadeɛ ti panyin pɛ so be transit kwa be de wom no so ha sɛ de ɛyɛ bibia de afa ho yɛyi we ama Ghana ban hu sɛ adwuma no yɛbɛtimi die nye die mnsa da yɛfa bia na da kona mahama asɔle wɔse be describe be movie industry but you yɛbɛkwan
yɛbɛkɔ de ɛsɛ ɛkɔ
fana abɛkwan da bi wo be hyɛn fa first
me media minim sɛ de ɛsɛ ɛkɔ baabi ɛsɛ ɛkɔ
yes sɛ ɛkɔ ɔso ntimi nya no di ntia unso ya no yɛbɛbɔ ntimi suru enti abanso hɛ ba bia muti bo mmode mo na akɔ na asa kwada da president mu so ya de the who is the first ti ye tra say me abe the first e bi so tra so ere enti obi a ye de ere ko enti the stand solid ye story ye be that e bi ya tsa ni mam say cinema se piagu nyina no movie papa ye enko ti ma ko baka ko hwepɛ no ahunu so onko biem na ma atra koda but count this story Captain Ben through the last African Euro I ni pen tentem ni katete be yi obehwe na china next time reason back say another movie say about say sa team say production we we strong tina tis bia sa kodanya avi ye wo no show nti o ma jatum so ye we ni yi ti yeso be say dance say reason by the movie Bible premiere obi abajare say onya dwumafo o say nyina pie fifere ekohwe yes
na and America no wo ball homode deeper kasa no doso say your music industry in itself is facing its own challenges. Our movie industry is also facing its own challenges. You've seen the light.
Me woni nyina mu ntino. Me yi me no say me anyuntuni me oka football kan wasem oka school me kan wasem ko ni nyina me obi.
Exactly.
On sa oka hini asem meka because me hene. On sa yes bibia meka bi.
So the question I want to ask is right now it looks as if you have the Midas touch. Start way.
Midas
touch.
As I say.
I said, when I say Bibia a crown, say,
when I can make be crap myself.
Say, a production Ghana.
Okay.
A Wheezy production. As a matter of fact, you are bringing out a lot of production.
Thank you very much.
Which is actually beautiful.
You talk through. Thank you very much.
Now, I really want to understand from your point of view, what have you seen as wrong that we are not paying attention to, specifically either with the movie industry or the music industry?
Second, Chimchi bacho.
Me pese me che say dia nipa adwe wo movie industry no any the music industry no they bia obi kan wan say there's a problem e bia nyema bi enko yi se si an dia woman say wo the movies eba se si agwan kasa wo okay akwakoda prime e bi kran nsi da
yeah
meaning that se si wo hu the right way na
yes.
say ye faso then na e movie industry and I said the music industry ya eda ho obi anim sade we say ye ni ya ye and ama kasa na wo so say the industry the ego and the music industry
that bia producer bia yan ho edwuma pa I say ibotom no I say is kasem e bia artist bi anyu we say anyu we kam nyan metwa video up mutu pa so scan wonti no wantimi ana wontimi nya bibia pepe sada American movie Hollywood movie we have a pole ewom Indian movie, we have a poly womb. This need production be no unya boni womb. Never say make you papa na bedos on boni no. Se boni bedos one and na senke. The papa ndos one e boma industry agina. Et say the sebe bebe nyansa obi an sebe Jimmy so ho. Answer. Baby papa obi an boni say ho e nam form nam. The time be papa na any deep boni no. Uma boni ni di wa onya emwa wo. At times yeah, tell me I'm because meet me minimum be but I want to do myself to as my fans no me make sure say me adwuma e be boa ma me so mother sonko me ya ma me the kind of life be a be fi empenfo be dey abadu madwuma na ma madwuma du so a some empenfo aso mother ajere e ta be movie na ama me so mani say this movie no minister we buy MP we buy scanning we buy oh na person me ye na enam so ma me no be so sua bi se koto ye se na me so be me so transmit my dey ayebi want to panya nunpa mi so mo nya sa odafun jere aba support na eko on sa
so those are the things I will share in your own small way the little things that we
bro adwuma ya beka say we adwuma papa ana say utimi ko anim na usanya more followers enyum we ne ya ena ebo mani patie mo we ne ya wo hia DJ bi say DJ mpacho bo ma me dan no abefa ere abo be den yeda oba fa chele o ma vi mistro mommy o wa mo no su ha ben ka da nko boda da ti yiro ho suade pestol like kama very good story best director with the other say bia fan fifi gabe on just gabe tum on ba kwa academy nim o ma be so on a lot na why kama ko moving enya story ko na movie so efe wanya story nya so nya good director obeda jama e kama unya good editor obeda jama e kama unya very costume props locations na ya ti say last part kwampo uwie onyina na ye be camera dey amana artist nipa so na be je ho to for stars star no nko no betre mana onwa ka na nya kama wasisi no ahun ti sina ke ne be pinima sini dey efe ameka say sebe ena anka no fe ni no fa mi anka ho be bo ma ni jere eni ya attachment e ma na ye de keke an so kenkan na nankasa ho be attachment asa etino yegu so bia be fa
nyami ensha e wo dia wo ye no na mami bi say country call Ghana what worker
minya adwuma mente ka ada since I'm starting more series mako more than 17 the young campo e be 500,000 Ghana cedis.
That is 5 billion.
Yes, the young campo no. We have Boga Kwaba, Police Academy, Cocoa Season, stars, almost 90 stars for musicians and the movie actors. Stoneboy, Family, Medical, Radio Stone, EL, Adam, a lot. After no, Mr. President, Asasiya, Amadapa, a job of 4, the Misu, Chama Kwameda, the Kidimia womb, a lot. Nani Ninemuno, the more country, and then out of food no. But you out of where but take you need a fool. Or Bobka Abre Adolfuna, and the banner say, Ba, a 160 Abba, ni demand the body and no Chinese or Tony at all. Won't get need your how yet. To be doing a good thing, say, yet a Japadi. And maybe ba. No perceives at all. We are looking for reason by production. And you must only boarding. Enough form. Timissini, man, fancy won't be intimate. Till I can't go and call a mental kada. I feel like Amazon. I have bomb per se. A dog forever. Benini ako, I'm a my benini, abedibi, abenini ako. Tintraco. Busumi and Sabia, and they have be any part 10 times, and then Mr. Phobia, I will be up on my cent. My idea, that also forever. Until you go so quick. Till me, you might be Buama at least. Me, person call Hollywood. That's what I do all this.
Hollywood.
Yes. Hollywood is my target. Africa, they am done. Maybe.
Now, I'm asking, sir, what's a worker in the sense that Metie interviews are wako, Mate Sika Wobo.
Yeah.
And a car wabo in movie production.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, it's not an easy job to do.
Yeah.
And I'm wondering, Ejumaya ye Sikentina ede.
Of course.
Why ye Juma no one take and I still would it be ede.
So busy hotel, and I know when you take us to see you from. What does it? Nana Sementia, we see more one take. So we saw us a beam. China business day. Anasa, busy the boss any would to boss and a buy you through. In a say, at any man, your boss and a bunny to tell what on a corner day at the capital. Ansa, hey, you know, Uso was about to go in him. Uso investing, Untimco in him. Semisura, on say, the time on the moving a coffin. Obian shoot him to America, who is coming and ordering. See a man customer started with a movie at me, then producer. I do my family and someone at that stars now. Sanka do that. I invest myself. Some of us are relevant. Oh, sister. I just sank a media form. I just sank a million on come by almost non consobey. Some of my academy so. Besides, me invest myself, the career no. Me and my uncle for me because I may pay that. Other maintenance dean, I bring a couple as a music style, Timbushu, Neskakra, na. Miss Rian man can get Skakra. There's me investment. Now I'm quiet because it's fear anyway. I'm what? How to invest my career and I'm going to buy my mamma. And I'm trusting me, trust I'm coming. I'll call me colleagues, no?
No more about the
One of so much, let me wait do. And about money. To all my civils, we are stars on Kwan. And I'm master. And now can the moving dash in tree, Kumawood na. Best stars better than I for untimate film. Okay, the whole world, the whole Ghana. From music and the moving for no. Ni patri with me film. Dintra, hard work I may a human back to back. Men, I mean, my room film that. I'll still be a legend. I'll still be a
star.
yes. As it can be a dear and come what. Tomatos are quite word then. And I mean, trouble. What can I make more? Answer, because back to bank to wow, Bano, Miss Milk, to work on it. To me say, may I dare send a board dear. Wow, but bed is with a aye. This I will better forever as it is moving. Captain Bern for the last Africa. Say, our band first comes to be in Tremby, and that's Canadian should be here. We went in Tremby.
Sure. Because looking at the money in investments.
Yes, of course.
I know even promotion and
yes.
The media tone in Yamana.
Yeah. Once I give me a map one thing, but only I didn't do. And the France for him. Yeah, anybody come on. America for him, Germany for him, UK for him. And the same time, Burkina so I made a human phone. Only I send a love at the mammy, Niger, Meli, a lot in Ghana now, me pure bontina. As I finish, stay be say peerful. Yanko Poncha, what they won't okay, we are. Okusuma, was relevant. As this be out here, we are innovation, what boom. Send a dying a child. Also, innovation, who paint printing. Next time when he pass our review, there's a star, why I check. Also, no veto, Nini pass some different kind of say, you want to be pictures. Every day, be an every year, I want to invite myself, say, may I'm home for. Oh, may I'm home for nothing. Myself for a so tell him to picture, and it's kind of and to make me home from. Yeah.
When last did you speak to Agya Koo? Agya Koo.
Why?
When last did you speak to him?
Why?
Agya Koo.
Oh.
When last did you speak to him?
What? Oh, yeah, oh, boy, yes, you. And as I say, yeah, boy, yes, 11.
When last did you talk? When last did you talk to?
Niki day.
Da Beneda, when Agya Koo didn't come.
Ah, Sebeka Alfonso.
Aye, a Beneda, when Agya Koo didn't come, and I walk on when he didn't come.
Somewhere you are. Dabana, Asanka Kazai. Andra, more in Tramwana. Moving, much one house room into a neighbor.
And aside,
you have to greet him.
We are friends beyond work.
Yeah,
exactly.
Once you're Jumano, Sebi, and to Quenim, Umpa, you will create beef. What as I see, Ubian on a stay by a contoqua. Agya Koo account to year one. Ubiat in fee, Ubianam. Yabeshia is a program, I say. And maybe a Sebi, Abia, what they say in Yabeshia, that's a shame. Obia could be a few.
True. I love the answer now. What I'm asking this because me nimsa will be TB and I want TB. Want to be grandpa. Your bear will cry Betty Ababa catcher. There's this notion out there. I say in Tawan Tawabi. I mean for specifically names. In Tawan Tawabi Edda. A woman team specifically with the Kumawood stars. How true is that?
Sir, and a man for Becca. I say. When you see a movie now about one thing, and I'm sad together. You read you will be a confee. What say? You should be a no, a number count for many like emotional. A question, oh, Lilwin like Mutimun and Cassa, or Moncassa. In your bonny, I quite say, 7 limit to 7 idea. I've been trying to call a star or charging. Maybe a charging pan charging. Depending if official own chairs can be a family. To better no share you, Mamma, Quayuma. Say free and gave a good beer for me. But since the plans down, it be a mountain so. Ubi organizer, event organizer, only as I told them for show that honest at our issue. Ne who's canon, so a song of fun that. Until my sacrifice sanity, they can afford Canabado sell when they mean I can cassa. And a member from na police and war himself only a human. Member from them into Miniscano. Namuquay Manamusa and Papini and Tim. Tina many like it, you might Abba Menage Koo, near Juma are very powerful. And Robert Cassett is been to woo our piece of issue. First case, Abra. Friend Papa, friend me. Fugakuman, the one between us and Papa issue. Yes. It should be no. And the Senate system, Tana Boss of Wama, and we had the bit say, the America came. Once I make a bomb and I met to right, right, so I met. I saw Biakan or Biamre. On, sir. Also, my dear Debbie. Yes, your man, you'll be answering canon. Ye be. If my back to send me a best, was to prove also your best. Then I did bounce about a best in me. Answer. Then I come as will be at the dinner. She said, Mentassi. I want to bonny be any name where to see how bomb by a boy so.
Nice one.
Baby, I'm Kafat.
And one and also na the pampe no.
Yeah.
You're kind of cranium.
Me guzo kasa also.
And it's good that you've clarified that one. Now let's come to Ibrahim Traore as Obabel and Chama Obia Ashebi. Now, one of my main issue and I may want to say, Lilwin it's a Ghana.
Yeah.
Ibrahim Traore in Hunsebi.
Yeah.
Say uncle internet and uncle read about it.
Yeah.
You don't even know exactly what is going on in Burkina Faso. So once again, I ask, there ben pa ana idea put a ben party and yama be brave cost for Ghana, ube free Ghana, no wako Burkina Faso, akakofa, obia wunim ne da, wunini ni linki bia, ehun asemu, and our pesa waka.
Your name is Marvin, right?
Melvin.
Melvin. You are hypocrite. You're true hypocrites.
Hypocrite, what you say?
Yes.
HSA.
Ikere.
So when I work on this.
As we nyachum.
Okay.
On sa nyachum. As we ni papa na waja na woka bone. On sa jo. Ko de woka say minim Ibrahim Traore. Min ko de minim no. Maja ye de ho. Ye obi minim ho ade. But we were here. I'm shoot you, Mr. President. If you find Ghana here, Mr. President, about stole a woman and never can say, Bina President Mahama, a used to come the kind of police one the Yajuma. A bina cutting blame winning Ghana, but who you also the has a prevent to start selling them. But yes, go in him. One can want him. Say, hey, let me
question and be so what's him as here?
Matuka, remember you are not. And a second, so see my jack. My just story be on Mokofa on no day. Maybe I can't to Ghana. Some with the matter. And I Wakofa and a Jira father come home and send me be. But me to change I'm on me. A book has said Tiami. As you man, yes, no copy Amazon. Oh, what you mean, your copy Amazon? And easy. I think many story for African working of African story. May I mean, ya, my papa, Catty who. Why Ibrahim Traore?
I want to understand.
Now moving, but opposite Quenim. What's a Quenim? I didn't have a Quenim. We are still one way. I won't even Quenim. We had defense story. Tina, this is also Quenim. We're featuring. Shut up. A feature wine. Only Beyonce. The Beyonce be feature. Gentia. Because all Quenim, you know, may a story of Africans. You must be moving far African order. Bibi abofana betwa de mai like India me abofana betwa movie say na owi nipa say yampa yinim be time no ye ntwa obi so wu ansa na ye no movie yenim dada na young guys so aba Captain Ibrahim Traore aba ade wo ye no so obi ani tua ukwana ta egu ho ana yafa ana eri adwuma no for Ghana de Mary de Nigeria na aka mu na de moving for Africa. Dentra officer Nigeria to on Africa ni
me African
some ko fa America dia na my mistake but Africa ya nkasa in Africa for.
So it brings me back to the question na me bisa say, and I love the answers you've given and it's very clear. Me bisa say one of the things we have an issue with movie producers in this country is that story no war what you say. We don't do our research. Research, you know, a story like Comfort Anoche. We can do a story about Comfort Anoche, but then again, you see that it becomes a flip. There is a flip side. So you don't even get the understanding of the story itself.
Okay.
You don't even project the Comfort Anoche story.
Okay.
Well. Now you'd want to do Ibrahim Traore, Captain Ibrahim Traore. Yeah. So the question I am asking you is: this is some individual you don't have a link with. So what research have you done? Are you depicting the true story of Ibrahim Traore in Burkina Faso to us in this movie?
If I don't say, who movie no? What ra? Even can we say the working? The story about start story be saying, who did story for whom Abraham your research to try to man? And who track where they? And then who research? I research a fact. Gaddafi who be nya or up no so. Anam patomboa. Yes. Ti research say na ejuma no. Ti we am say yes. Ya boy ejuma. Ti tell ko hu say bibi ankasa nchiro. Bibi wo kakra. One as a good producer, as a good editor, enya research as between before one
and they see that
any previous ones benye nei ena ekosa ala no pure full story full story in twan through wo a real story e da ho no ma e kasa wo hwe movie no wiam say yes ya ye adwuma no mem kan kwa chiri me magana de kakra on South Africa egusu wa ho chiri etimi ko yanim eso ne ma efi Africa ko amana ne ena ma abafo mu yedu hwe ne ma nyanko pade ache Yesu Kristo nyanko Yesu wo ya Africa ni wo ye bibini onye buruni babafo na betwa movie chance wo ye buruni ombua Yesu wo Africa ni wo black Peter wo black Judas wo black Paul wo black Thomas wo black they kind of trace Yesu wo Santini because wo gana wo Santini
I know who
I'm telling you become sure Paul officer we answer hey Thomas ofipa akoso tie hey mum pen akure mum pen research hey and be has a be for Africa ho Egypt oya where there on be in Africa
yes
upekura Egypt yes upekura nyame ahire omu a Israel ne Ghana ko mi no na prekese esi hwenem nyame de che yeso yehu de ye abafunu fisuro be fakọ no makoya abeton amaye empo pampuro keke pampuro egu a yetwa e de ye furo yi abafo facha na fo fa de ye chipstick e de yesim ye kraba awon ti se abafo se o ma Africa no masore kumanima no o masore tia mo hade kwa mun kuma to kan kuma o tia se no obi e bi factory bebrebe e pacho hu bi obi e car tie factory obi mpaboa factory obi Manchester factory pacho ye be share che mi etu no say nyuma no pacho enet ase na ewu ena abofo mpe no wo pese ho boto ye onwa ka se mfiri America magana ba bi magana embeku wo obese wa onwa bebi ni achi na waku yonko second mo magadafi na nko mfa wo chire omo de na obi anya o so obo Africa abofo be ebeku ne to twene ama ne kuro na sai do mo hwe no anti obi kiri koyi na wo tinche so mpe ama sabi ye kuna to twene kwa former president Obama be ka se adabako wa ye nu no se o mi eku Gaddafi wo ka wiye ya nche no watwo wo ku wudi hye kwa enna nche Thomas Sankara ono nkasa na jamfu ana ese na chimo otwa ne ti enya ho kire a be na bibina so eteni nua enya ho kire nti ye tam sika ma wa pere wo ku nua ebia ye poache mi nua no wonya hwe beku keke wakosi ha ye mam 10 billion become sina obeche me beku e ho kire ntira ensene nyame yadom asa visit ama Ibrahim Masaba obayi ni wo ye sonko ni kunfo nya agina tum wa sa abofo so wonti ase ye beku no se me de ntia me ma me hwe me mani age wo se ma me hwe me ye wo beku kunu be hwa na hwe me o makoma be di mekum awu keke ti kunu nyina abofo ko nyina ko na ato abasa ti etam na ne captain abesu nyame do social media ba ke ya nsori an ke kunu in Africa was ye sole ye mpenfo so mu ya de pa boa obi an sole se we na ye pe se nya dia na ye kasa be ye dia se ye kasa fa ho wo mpatma so je na chi Russia we Africa ni ala ona bata na chi na ya an kasa ye dia na ye tetewo ye dia an kasa bi apanyini onti ida batam Africa o se ye sole ye mpenfo ya de bi na ye na abofo so ye mpa ye nyina ni nsum en kasa ntatiam ye pe ya de o da be na America for konto kwa Ghana president bi Africa president say omunyai da you can't to kwa ni Russia to kwa yi say ma Africa president bi ta say omunyai be Africa na ke konto kwa ka woni fiso ai dai aba ene what say ni mam it must say Ghana Africa mpeni fo say aja pedi be do nyame dama e bia no abofo no na ha ha say fun a wo do mo e fun wa ha ne na nanam timi ensu abi say timba wo do mo na ha the next 50 years ne yan kasa de chef enemy ye di so mbo fako na makoto atabeto amaye awu sai tinema bebrebe na nyame da che ntia si emperfumo ne behwe umu akoro me Africa won to go bintu kwa yo obi kwa America ko pe krata keke 50 years ne nsanya nkan uti magana wasa ko baberewa Second hoton Ghana na ma wa kwere. Opanyini yen ka ne kure. Ni ma be no ya me ka say the next 2028 na me MPO of the Kwabre North. Betu wura kwa bibi ni na betu no. What I say? Etino ade a e say nyina e bobo e ho. Esi bebrebe. Hwe okuta wade ne boni abaje no am 10%. 5% no na for 90%. Adai. Yabatam wo de ma bofo na nya hwe e 50 or 40 60. Na abo na benefit nya sa so da jiwade na wade bokra fo so fo yi. Na vi ya biom gold fan no. No munya $18 million per year. Omunya ye na bofo na je no mo $1 million. Example e bosia bo. Oba ye ono age na de ya fan no. Sika na enka kromo no. And once Burkina for them, we are the winning toast. We're beauty 20 factory. Epanamwa. To my second and benefit said, Mahama cried to see. O call him a bear who said no. As a name him. Casavi. Physical corner on ma. I see a baby on ma. Mundukuna, umbeto toy through her. Tachima ABS by Ira. Ya bid by your foot to a crown mouth. Cafundo we are umbeto every ho. Say, Bura. Near beer bread with her, who took we are on Yabato nephew. And now my boys, ain't me no fool, go do we have an alcohol cotton. What a bus wound out to phone your body on to for cargo body factory. To do we pay Uchina or Wabatoko. Now what all? Now so over. 2 and 19. Where prison for a good affiacy. Prison maybe a fenny pabe 30 and then a put 1,000. And I idea and I watch the 2. We need a wire man. Semina me president am is here. I'm telling you. Omwa sabe wafa obi abode banchi benkin ona ma menya kasakasa wodin sa sabe aka na yere na sankofo nyina no because mu dia fiase no ne mu do atwetu aku obi sika obi de so ele wodem sankofo nyina sa aban ema prison fo no aban wo land o sa aban mu pedal kese mu ya farm prison fo no ya farm the biggest farm body banchi benkin ba yire a lot. And you are trotro driver, 1 pack ye. Near say, we look at our condemn. You can jail. Young man, 1 month prison. Oh, Kodo. Who do we are? Still be able to traffic. Control 2 months. Oh, dog. I'm a prison for some money. Best I come up. Umbedia fine. Umotom. Best uncle fool near when I asked them, I'm a prisoner. I'm a many issue. My friend, my music, I bet me 2 years. My packet will be a packet. You find 5 me marrying. Become 1 year. The same prisoner. And take a prison for any MP. Oh, prison pub, prison bread, prison water. Until you don't person, you prison for my baby. Not to support the prison. Now, what home? Until you remember, make a Obi. Oh, maybe MP. Name my make out private parliament. No. And the second law one must abide with me for them. Say, who was going to me quite? Kagana Quenyan Kaye? Ubo Passaman, yes, Captain Yama quite free. Ah, yes, soon to me. Udama Banswa, say ye now by the MA. Tikabat to see my no first who was cat. What a quote on which I am my near Boabasso. Usika, that's why I said my quite. And a quite P. as I say, Abra, because Capita and idea too. It's a lot more participatory be. By my come we are make a movie. It's a lot of opinion. This movie, a movie beer, a dissuading womb. Africa will regret again. Or see a swally. And prefer the Payan support Mamma the Payanka, where Bonnie and Grim just project the good things say you didn't get already. About quite papa. Say, when in the quite more papa. On your money, must movie a premiere. My bucker bear from bear 2 months in it. I did the sabbacy. Me Obian support back to back. It's premier start here. I got that with them issue. Prayer be we, prayer be obo. Diego, we. Hey, to say, Thomas Pate, Asamabaye, Kudus, Yaton, to say, Obia resting, Obia resting, me when I say, honestly, we just say, it should be in Abasa. Some moving stronger, and Kakeno. Last minute. I have a song. Open I have a small, I have a soup premier. Come here from this bed. Lubas Mau. Lubas Mau. Come on, China me. Nipaka say, and I'm not say a legend. Abon 33 abons. Ni nyina hete. Ebi si wiase da. Sa we boni a, kisa me ka bofu nyina hase. Wa ga na ni ntomo tibra omu ntifie ni ntomo yeso mfaso. Yele gina ewu che Michael Jackson. Oh, wabu wo ma chi se, me ya chi se. Ha. Nyame. Ma bre pomosike ni kwa na nchen ampa ma stop ye nyina post no ese brade fa crazy wa adwuma wa bre na nipa nje jifunu Ghana fo edi jifunu ho na aban kwa ntwa funu efunu ntwa yiyeye mu na ni nyina na chi ye so bre me say dia me say continue ma yire promotion me say the artist e be fe na be face 1 week na be face ye ntino eni nya expert akobi na kama beti hono ma mo se post be unity ade creative as for after second night on the second August ha
So we premiere near them.
second August na the lumba night akwata second August bone ben na maye mo ntwana mo fanse bi kwa Friday and Sunday ni nyina mabi because a nation word night also be a celebrity no wo yi mafrim oh some penny for movie atwa nyina so mo antima nka hwere amfa ho bebu wie de mo sala begina abache date a wo de night eze mo penny pa bia wu okonfo kwa de ayale aho kire sikasem ye bre sakit vs mo face sakit night mo to face date am nyina nhia ma for de am penny for am do tiska am mfa so kwa de o twa me na wu mo nim say ye de a tizili anwoye nti yen fan date na yen sa akwane premier no ko premier obi aya we obi enim when is the premier second August when enim kire me panyina hera kwata abusofo mpo nya we o ma facilitate e da ba mantene ti ma ya say Asante Virgin there ma bande Saturday night no
on the 2nd of August.
Yes
Premier
Saturday night no o mu be ye no Asante Virgin me ye film enka ho premier ye premier ye wi a me Asante Virgin for Saturday night amom yes me amaye wi premier we na me for Saturday night no na ye nyina sa be hia the same age mo na na ye Saturday night ye man fa me fra premier na ma obi se tututu ma ase nti be se pete aye me de kama na ye fe omudi akọ ba ye me de mudi akọ ye me de etino oh ye nya de man nya fe ye ya de we before obi aka ho hwe wa nko se be bi sei
and some were ho and
cause me pana se me don me na me dey movie first lu me twa movie da ontwa movie da the first time me na movie kan boy nya sam kotoa busa no na ne papa yenti abra no so yale no movie no hwe ya na o de feel fe kojo at self da bako kojo me yale wo simun maresa family sini wati and daddy wo se kojo meye ade anchi fa ka ko ne nche ko sra sana e fisi date be fast stars fria be la sama viveje akobatumu nyina patun kran ko da ho aka hotel $12 per day ki ampone ye sofo movie ntati de bekum ma nipa afa na no nyam na ba bontene bekum ma nipa ye twa movie je wasa ntini o movie ni mu me ba okoto nyama me rehearsals ansana okọ stage so ye twa na ye birki ya bobo Thanksgiving making hotel na ma chiride asana sa ko back ye twa na stack papa nyini bi lumba pa u twasi ni nkwan na mo wi o se ko jwe obi a me bua o se e bu mabam nankasa me twa ni nyina wi me se me bre ko nya time opportunity we nya ebi si da o se legend wa news ka wan charge me ko je fam be twasi ni na maba ni ye twa du nya time e bo da o so de be 3 o'clock 4 o'clock twa twisi 3 ko je mabre ma ko da ye wie as de bi papa yi wan yi miska o sa bo che miska makana bebe what 8 minutes that time ko je che on na ye bisa no ense ni pay ayo papa sa mame ye wie adwuma wie se ka me de ba as de bi papa yi ayo mame no bi sini ba bontene na bi a baby wona anya ne fa ana won pa odo no wase no say na tidia me fa master na dey me ma na master copy na won hwese bi won won pa na me yere me ye fa ma no cause me na sem na ho nya mfa no sa na ho nya nto no sa ana me skani na me ba no ona yere ni Vivian J ana pampa chale me di ma pa movie ni wo ji kai na ni aje kuje sini e fi ti manfo ko sabotage kuje me movie no emfata so twesini anche no preme kuje am da movie ni fa pa ni bibi kuje won se e ma pma sempa di me ho anya fe intwa fro am say hey daddy sini de sa na ti o ko onye sikani we hia ni me ba no ntino kuje de we say ma dom dodo me ho anya fe senka bitimi am daddy story ntino kuje debi ma ha no vise bia de man for kind ntino ana wontimi nka sentire me twan bia be Samantha na 2 months time no na bia woskojo o fabra bontere some demand was so be twan ya we ya 2 years 3 years 4 years 5 years kodinta papa ya na me do me sa do a legend me meno me nyo opportunity but apagya me din how say me fa force o won ma baka de me fa force family bi si kojo toma me me baba cause e wo de entwuma so baba e won ya e bia be kwa ama me ama be ni pakase sinu nya hwe mfanto ana me to no o ma fada but oni daddy nkasa ansa ache anje yima me boka de nya hwe de se mbaka ko 2 series a wo de monye na de mam wansi na monye master no ntona momfa o kojo de e mo ba radio so ba so bia na offer so kwachara di ansa mate e gusi di nkoma chega enche be na kama sa kwose de this the time bia fa famra en sebi o wa kwade ma untimi nyinti o wa be di sa nkwase we o wa di sa ensemfu we o pe be kuna nipa ebebe be wa Ghana ha won yo bia nkunu se lumba
na wana nkopeso
na wa hwan nipa pi ne wom nipa bebrebe be se mabodi onsa na nyame no wonye ne sa edu so aboko no matter what happen chenye sa pa de anke that is people better no bebrebe better no wo be bomu di mame
there be minimum bia
ebia no wetim kra
there be kra
on my ewa be yo
me mo bia ni
why baba
Lilwin
go papa ta be ewa po yo atemida wo dem mo bro tinya sem kuto
2 minutes after 5, Love 99.5 FM drive time.
Having
a conversation with Lilwin. So Ibrahim Traore, that is the movie, and it's coming off on.
We are starting from Pankono School Park to Sebi or Ejimo.
Okay.
First 500 breakfast.
Okay.
Yes, Tom Brown, Egwemi, Obrayu, Elewonyo. A lot of breakfast. Kushane pano bi asana move fruit no. Can you pay more than 10,000 plus? I'm telling you. You never pay for we. You have ambulance. We did actually. You have water. You must spray insurance. Get a show, mama. You must spray. Fire service must spray insurance. So hey, be a ponko brass band. So look, baby, the biggest fruit to be seen.
Right. So it's all happening on the 2nd of August. So in the morning time near saying.
Oh, 18 years park.
8 a.m. So the first 500 people, there's food available. That is breakfast available for you to enjoy. Then in the night, okay.
First show started from 4:30.
Okay.
Yes.
So how many shows now?
We need predominant banner. Meli for Kumasi nyina Niger for wa Burkina for nyina se ba. Na we need predominant se ba the crane. And we are the better ade asachi because yentimi ma say ya ade achi apon bi nko. And today big say obi be dey ahwe. Because people want to say, "I'm more ready, man." Just say, "Ready, say so you know me. Be sleep here na." So we be here. You we na ekosu 16th August. It's better hotel cinema. Also across 16th. The same place as na person across sunyan. Yes. And when you take it to baby, I can online.
Online.
Yes. And F so. Kokete go Ghana na 500 series, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. But this one. The biggest, they swear 20 Ghana series, any VIP. Sing 80 Ghana series, double 150 series.
Nice one.
Yes. Also, if you're African, don't miss this movie.
Nice one.
Come watch something and learn something from it.
Nice one. Ibrahim Traore is premiering at the SG Mall 2nd of August 2025.
Yes. Yes.
Of course,
because I say why Burkina ambassador eba omo create fast culture minister so ba ansa na bia mpanifo pii na eba
Nice one.
yes ano odin
Definitely we're going to be.
entino papa we bishop number what in dia o kasafa Pan Africa ho yes also why research about me okwa post movie on the page
That is Pierre Lumumba.
yes I post movie on the page on was see why me di won share me da apa two adwuma we no ode hu me o monitor me adwuma nyina o cut the whole world the most talented actor visitor dynamic in the world o say me no doubt
Abodi so.
yes
Abodi, congratulations.
from Hollywood, Bollywood, Nollywood, Gallywood, and the Kumawood. Yes. Agya Koo say we broadcaster, we broadcaster. We acting. So we interview legends.
Your favorite Daddy Lumba song?
Adosu. Oh, opo say na mama.
Me Boba Aquama. Na me jaw kwai.
And mama em trend be best three.
Okay.
Bakwa anfuchini ebi de bi achi. Second, pim tamio, pim tamio, pim nadomio. Third, check tubu kwime, check.
Dr. Paniana.
O wajimi ana. Check tubu kwime. Ana bakuo. Shwande dide. Ana pony. I does.
Right.
Does.
Lilwin, thank you very much for coming through.
Ofun edin sem fun.
Me boy no so ama. Bo say Daddy Lumba wu na ahao.
Na nkofo msa ye kadi na nto so ha papa. Sa kadi na ndifo no. O mean e ka bonsa on be foda.
Kojo eye.
Be franka sanka sani sa ni pa no o she sa date no. Sa kadi na date no. O ye bonsa papa.